I'll just go for it a little bit.
I got an Amazon guy, it's no big deal. Man, that feels way better when you get into boost.
Yeah.
Way better.
It's a little
That's
laggy.
a whole different car.
Oh, dude.
Which I only remember your car from the old wastegate and how it sounded before. Dude, that thing sounds way healthier.
Yeah.
It sounds happy now. It doesn't sound pissed off.
Yeah. I mean, I thought it sounded good before, but compared to this...
No, compared to this, that was...
It's so much better.
That was so much better.
Yes. There you go. For a four banger, huh?
I don't know.
The effect from the overpass too with the noise it adds a little bit of something to it because it's popping like crazy.
Holy snikes. That's nice.
Not too bad, not too bad. Still looking alright. I'm still not amazing at that 2-3 shift because it spins in seconds, so I'm like trying to keep it into boost, but it lags a little bit.
Make my phone go out the window now.
It's gonna be loud as shit over there, just so you know.
Yeah, that was loud as shit.
Yeah.
That shit was coming out and made it all, you can see like the heat.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's crazy.
Just wait on this. Got it pass.
Whole different animal.
Yeah.
That dump, that fucking hurts.
Yeah, it hurts the ears a little bit.
Yeah.
That would be fun. Yeah, it's something else, man. It doesn't get old, that's for sure.
Yeah.
It's been a little while since I filmed that video. Finally making an outro for it, that way I can upload it. Just want to give a shout out to all my friends for riding in the car with me and just having fun. I had a freaking blast taking everybody for a ride. Sadly, I didn't get all my friends that I wanted in for a ride, but I did get a lot of people in there, so that was super sick. It was a really great visit back home for a little while, especially getting to rip on the car a whole bunch like that. So yeah, I just want to say thanks again, all my friends. If you guys are watching, love you. And hopefully sooner than later, be another little video on the SRT hopefully. So we'll see you guys soon.